How to set up Wi-Fi on your Wi-Fi enabled LG dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and troubleshoot Wi-Fi on your Wi-Fi enabled LG dishwasher. Note that not all models are Wi-Fi enabled. We'll walk through the process in 6 steps. Number 1, have you already downloaded the LG ThinQ application? If yes, then continue. If no, please access the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for LG ThinQ, spelled THINQ, as one word, to download the application. Number 2, have you signed in and/or created an account to use with the ThinQ app? If yes, then continue. If no, then open the ThinQ app on your smartphone and sign in using either a Google or Facebook account. You can also create a new account. Number 3, does your dishwasher have a ThinQ logo or an NFC tag on logo on the cabinet? If it has a ThinQ logo, then continue. If it has an NFC tag on logo, then it will not use Wi-Fi to connect to the internet. Note that NFC or near-field communication with LG appliances is only supported on Android devices. iOS devices are not compatible in this case. Number 4, do you have a 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or dual band wireless router? If it's 2.4 GHz, then continue. If it's 5 GHz, to connect your LG dishwasher, you'll need a 2.4 GHz network. If your router was supplied by your internet service provider, you can reach out to them to see if a 2.4 GHz option is available. If you purchased your own router, check the router's documentation and settings to see if the 2.4 GHz band is supported. If your router is dual band, then it supports both the 2.4 and the 5 GHz bands. You'll need to select the 2.4 GHz SSID when you connect your appliance. Number 5, how far is your router from the smart dishwasher? If it is within 30 feet, then continue. If it is farther than 30 feet, then your dishwasher may be too far away to make or maintain a successful connection. We'll attempt to connect your dishwasher, but at that distance the connection may be unstable. Number 6, what type of smartphone do you use to connect? Let's start with Android. For Android phones, after selecting dishwasher in the ThinQ app, follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the dishwasher for 3 seconds, until the Wi-Fi LED light starts to blink. Note that the Enable Wi-Fi button will vary by model. On the next screen, tap Connect when the name of the dishwasher pops up. Select the name of your Wi-Fi network to connect. Please remember that only a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection is supported. It may take up to 2 minutes to connect to your selected Wi-Fi network and completely connect your dishwasher. Once finished, your product will be listed on the main dashboard and you're all set. If your dishwasher has the NFC tag on logo, it will only work with Android devices and will not use Wi-Fi. Follow the screen prompts on the LG ThinQ app. Then place your phone near the dishwasher's NFC logo to connect it to the app. If NFC is not working, please check your phone settings to ensure NFC is enabled. Now let's go to iPhones. For iPhones, after selecting dishwasher in the ThinQ app, follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the dishwasher for 3 seconds, until the Wi-Fi LED light starts to blink. Note that the Enable Wi-Fi button will vary by model. Press the next button to continue. On your phone, go to Settings and press Wi-Fi. On the list of options, select LG Smart Dishwasher. If prompted for a password, enter the last 4 digits twice from the Wi-Fi name. Now return to the ThinQ app. On the next screen, select the name of your Wi-Fi network to connect. Please remember that only a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection is supported. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network you have chosen and press Connect. It may take up to 1 minute to completely connect your dishwasher. Once finished, your product will be listed in the main dashboard. We hope you enjoy the ease and convenience of Smart Thin Q Control for your LG dishwasher.